Hi guys. Today I will explain how to add background music in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project in which you want to add the background music. As you can see, I already import my video and I will play. Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how can you avoid. As you can see, after hearing the voice, you realize the background music is not added. Now time to add music. It's really simple, just minimize the Adobe and import music, which you want to add like me. Once you import that music, paste that just below to the main voiceover. Now the background music has been added and let me play. After playing, you can hear the volume of background music is too high. So how can we make it lower so it'll be not higher than the music? So first click on the background music, and here you have to select Effect Control. The first thing you have to do is turn of these. These are the animations, and once you've turned it off, then click on this and enter -35. Now I will play, and you can hear the voiceover and the background music as well. Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing. Now it's good. And the last thing is adjust the duration of background music according to your video, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.